In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the booking widget to your WordPress website. Integrating a booking widget into your site is a fantastic way to streamline appointment scheduling, offer better service to your visitors, and ultimately enhance user experience. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or anyone who needs to manage appointments efficiently, this process will be invaluable. So, let's dive into it step by step. First things first, you need to make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for making changes to your website. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and locate the Plugins tab. It's one of the primary tools you'll use to install new features on your site. Click on Add New, which will allow you to search for the booking widget plugin you intend to use. Next, in the search bar at the top right corner, type in the name of the booking widget you're interested in using. Many popular ones are available. Once you've identified and found the plugin that suits your needs, you'll see an Install Now button beside it. Be sure to click on it. After a few moments, WordPress will notify you that the plugin has been installed. Now, you just need to activate it. Click on the Activate button to make the plugin functional on your site. With the plugin activated, it's time to configure the settings to match your requirements. You'll usually find a new menu item has appeared on your dashboard left-hand side relating to your newly installed widget. Click on this to enter the settings page. Here, you'll be able to customize the booking details, such as setting your available times, buffer times between appointments, and other specific preferences that are unique to your business needs. Take your time to explore these settings. Most plugins will provide a help section or tips to guide you through their configurations. Now that you've set everything up according to your needs, it's time to add the widget to your website. You can do this by going to the Pages section of your dashboard. Edit the page where you'd like to display the booking form, or create a new page if that's more suitable for you. In the page editor, you'll often find a button or an icon to add the booking form. Many plugins utilize shortcodes which you can simply copy and paste into the text area of your page. After inserting the widget into the page, don't forget the important final step: save your changes. Once saved, view your published page to make sure the booking widget looks and operates as expected. Make a test booking or two to check that all your configurations are in order and that everything runs smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, your WordPress website now features a functional booking widget, offering enhanced service to your visitors and simplifying your appointment management process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.